This is skating on the lake. What you can do at the top is practice writing the note that you recently learned, A. So just putting that in the second space. And then naming those notes underneath will be really helpful. So when we look at this song, it looks like most of this is what we call our C 5-finger position. So our left hand 5 begins on what note? If you said C, that's correct. And our right hand thumb begins on what note in the second measure? If you said middle C, that's correct. Before we start, one thing to pay attention to is that we have a left hand that crosses over to our A on the word night, and also on the second line on the first syllable of waiting on wait. So we want to watch out for that crossover, and we'll use our pointer finger for that. So you can use the pedal if you like. I'm not going to today, but that's an option for you. So here is how skating on the lake is going to go. We have a lot of skips instead of steps. So again, a skip goes from a space to the very next space, like in your first measure, or a line to the very next line. These are also called thirds. So if I start on the first measure on C, and that's 1, 1, 2, 3. From C to E is a third because that's the distance from C to E is 3 notes. C, D, E. That's also called a skip. So here we go. We're in 3, 4. 1, 2, and kind of cross over to that A. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get ready to cross. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Rest. Then we gradually slow down at the end. So we have a nice little tie in the right hand at the end, and we're going to gradually slow down. That's what that RIT means. You can slow it down the first time if we're just playing it once. So again, I would say I'm going to demo that first 2 lines again with a crossover. 1, 2, 3. Get your left hand ready. Cross. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to cross. 2, 3. Rest. So watch out for those rests. You'll prep the crosses a little ahead of time. So what you don't want is this. 1, 2, 3, 2. Oh yeah, I got a cross. So you want to kind of be thinking ahead and start moving your hand before you get to that measure, okay?